Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. Alright, so Martin Odegaard has suffered a mild sprained ankle. Hopefully this is not a bad one, because we've seen Martinelli with a similar incident like that, something similar to that earlier in the season, and he was out for quite a while. So the coach said, from the Norway national coach said that he will be okay and hopefully he can return for the game Saturday against Turkey. And as an Arsenal fan, I am hoping that he won't play on Saturday. Yes, I know that he's the captain, and yes, I understand that he has the responsibility to carry the team, but no, we can't afford that. So guess what? He played 45 minutes, and I'm just going to run through some of his statistics for the first 45 minutes that he had played. So hopefully he has a speedy recovery and we can definitely move on as Arsenal fans, because we tend to find out that these things happen really often to us. We have no luck. Only player injured during a game, and it has to be an Arsenal player, right? Has to be an Arsenal player. It won't be Arsenal like if we don't get a player injured on international duties. Hopefully, I pray that no one else suffers any injury, because we have a big match coming up over the weekend that is against Liverpool following weekend, and we can't afford to not have Odegaard in the team. So speedy recovery. I wish you a speedy recovery, and that we can move on as fans. So guess what? Let me give you guys the statistics for his first 45 minutes that he played, and they were having an exceptional 45 minutes throughout the game. They went on to win the game 3-0. So let me get into it. He played 45 minutes, no goal, no assist, but he had 55 touches in 45 minutes. Accurate passes 39 out of 46 with a pass completion of 85%. 3 key passes, 3 crosses, 1 completed, 2 long ball, 2 completed out of it, 1 big chance created, shots on target 1, shots blocked 1 as well, dribble attempt 3, completing all 3 accurately. Big chances missed. He missed 1 big chance. Ground duels, he won 3 out of 4 ground duels, which means that he's really getting into those battles. Aerial duels 1 out of 1 completed. Passes, possession loss 9 times. He's in the attacking midfield position. That is slightly expected, so I have no problem with that. Dribble pass just 1 time. So significantly, I'm going to put up the heat map to show you his small amount that he had to offer throughout the game. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Please hit the like button, really appreciate it. Hopefully he'll be back for the Liverpool game. We pray that he'll be back for the Liverpool game, and this is nothing serious. So this has been Military Guna TV, and I am out.